Sticker Mountain is the best place to buy clear stickers. First, select Clear BOP. Then, your lamination, custom shape, size, and quantity for your sticker. Next, upload your image and Sticker Mountain's team will review your image and send it to you for final approval. Once approved, Sticker Mountain begins the printing process. We print in full color on premium material that is durable and waterproof. Plus, they're great to stick anywhere. Custom shapes are also possible with our laser, which gets the job done in as little as 2 days. Plus, you get free shipping. Once you receive your stickers, explore the possibilities of where your message can go. With clear stickers, you get the added effect of being able to see through your design. Whether you want to make your whole design visible or key areas, the possibilities are endless. Sticker Mountain. The best part of us is to be a part of you.